Dear colleagues, today we present to you the updated Cart-5 with a touchscreen control panel. The mobile doctor console with 5 instruments with excellent ergonomics and easy up and down movements. Now, the Cart-5 is improved with an intelligible and intuitive touchscreen. The homepage contains even more features: chair control, glass filling with water, spittoon flushing, 2 modes of instruments flushing with water, short term 20 seconds and long term 2 minutes, operating light activation, assistant call, timer, screen locking. Before starting work, you can choose your profile with previously saved individual settings. The panel contains general screen settings, screen brightness, date and time, as well as operative settings, foot control behavior settings, instruments lights intensity settings for motors and turbines, torque unit selection. When you take an instrument out of the holder, the selected instrument control window automatically appears on the display. For the turbine, the following are available: the speed regulation and water adjustment for burr cooling. For MX2 micromotor, the following are available: selection of the tip for the appropriate procedure, speed and torque regulation, reverse, amount of water for bar cooling. In addition, it is possible to adjust up to 40 programs for end function and possibility to add a program for reciproc. For the scaler, the following are available: the selection of the operating mode, changing the power of the scaler, switching on and adjusting the water amount for cooling. GALIT is constantly working on improving its equipment to ensure the comfort during the treatment. GALIT, expert in dentistry.